Most people think their money problems will disappear once they make more money. That once they finally get a raise or a better job, everything will feel easier. But for most people, the opposite happens. They make more money and still feel stressed, still feel behind, still wonder where it all went. One of the biggest reasons people feel stuck financially is something called lifestyle creep. Lifestyle creep is what happens when your spending rises at the same speed as your income. You get a raise, nothing dramatic changes, you don't feel rich, the car payment gets a little bit bigger, the apartment gets a little nicer, subscriptions you barely notice start stacking up, and even though you're making more money than you ever have, there's still nothing left at the end of the month. That's why someone making $60,000 and someone making $120,000 can feel exactly the same financially. So the raise feels exciting for a few months, and then it becomes the new normal, and the pressure quietly increases. The way out of lifestyle creep isn't cutting everything fun out of your life. It's changing the order you use your money. Before a raise turns into things like a nicer apartment, a better car, or expensive jewelry, ask one question first. Does this remove future stress, or does it add future pressure? Paying off high-interest debt, starting that emergency fund, and investing all remove pressure. Bigger payments, longer leases, and more subscriptions usually do the opposite. When your income goes up, pretend nothing changed. Let the extra money quietly fix the weak points in your financial life. Once those foundations are solid, upgrades stop feeling stressful. They start feeling intentional. That's when getting a new car actually makes sense. Instead of asking, what can I upgrade now? Ask, what problem can this money solve forever? That might mean paying off debt, building a real emergency fund, or investing before you feel ready. Most people who build real wealth didn't feel rich while doing it. They felt patient, and often at a slower pace than their peers. They weren't trying to look successful, they were trying to be stable. And stability compounds quietly. If you can avoid lifestyle creep, everything else gets easier over time. I'll see you in the next one.